Hello, this is Nathan from the cabin, or the cottage, and I just jumped my truck. I started my my battery died, and I jump started it with these, my cordless tool batteries. If you look close, they're 18 volts, and I connected them in series. I connected the batteries in series, and which made them still 18 volts, but they had a 4 amps instead of just 2 amps apiece, and that gave me just enough cranking amps to start my truck. So it was awesome. So I started my Chevy Suburban with 2 18-volt cordless drill batteries. So that's awesome. Wired them in series and then connected them to my battery terminal. Now that is cool. This is Nathan from the cottage, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.